Hi, I'm Dr. Shelley Malka from Lechaimkids and Empowered Jewish Parenting. One of the things that makes moms crazy is when they find themselves constantly second-guessing themselves. Did I do the right thing? Did I say the right thing? Am I making the right decision, keeping my child back a year? So our job is hishtadlus, putting in informed, conscious effort into getting done what needs to be done. But remember that results are never up to us. Results are always up to Hashem. So if you're struggling with a parenting decision, no matter what it is, put in a quick tefillah, a quick prayer. Ask Hashem to give a bracha to your decision, because Hashem can make this decision work and he can make that decision work. Our job is to ask for help, to ask for the blessing. So if you've put considered effort into a parenting decision, connect to Hashem as the source of all blessing, and then let it go. Now, if you want to find out more about what your hishtadlus is, your conscious, informed effort into any of your parenting decisions, please click the link below for more information.